Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. My guest is Larry Reaugh, CEO and President of American Manganese. Welcome back to the show, Larry.
Jim, I love being on the show.
You had a news release this week and also some very positive news from the markets.
Oh, yeah, this has been a fantastic week for us. It's a record breaker for us in this office. And our news release was to do with the cathode reactor. And that is all ready now to start production at any time. It had to be wired. And they tell me at Chemetco there were 200 wires. And that had to be in a clean area. And it also had to be rewired from the outside to get it in there. But now it's going. Not going. That will be, we've got it prepared to start anytime next week. So, and I'm really looking forward to the results on that, because that kind of fills the bill for us with what battery manufacturing requires, and so it's another big plus for us. We've had nothing but plus moves forward, and anybody that follows us on the market, they'll see that stock has closed around $1 today on between the two exchanges, the U.S. and Canada, on about 10 million shares, or better than 10 million shares, maybe 11. And but that's a new high. Last time we were up at 80 cents was when we were doing our manganese project in 2011, and that's just the time the market fell over the cliff. So, no, this is great, and we're getting recognized out there. And if anybody wants to know, I call it the Biden rally, because he's been talking green for batteries and manufacturing and all those different aspects in recycling that we're involved in. And so, just so happened that the same day as he was elected, or sworn in, the stock took off. And I see a fantastic future for the company from here. People were wondering, who's buying all this paper? Well, the regular group, but also we've been recognized by the Robinhood investors, and they've been putting a lot of buying into the stock, and which is just fantastic for us. That's a new norm out there, and that's stuff that we couldn't reach these states without somebody like that. So I just want to say one thing. I think probably the rally is about 2 years behind, or it should have happened 2 years ago. But then again, when you stop and look at the fact that recycling was really not on the map, now it is. And so you're looking at EV car manufacturing, you're looking at EV battery manufacturing, and now you're looking at recycling of these batteries. And so it's come to the forefront, and we've been always transparent about what we've done and what we're doing. And I couldn't think of a more solid process than ours. It's a great solid process. It should have great dividends for the shareholders at the end of the day. So it's been really exciting in here. You don't get much sleep, but who needs sleep when the stock's going through the roof? So what can I say? I got one naysayer out there. Its glass is always half empty. Other than that, everybody else seems to be happy. And so, Jim, that's the story. It's probably a little brief. There'll be more news coming next week. We've started work on the Wendon stockpile, and we've got we'll have the start-up date of our cathode reactor, and so it's very honest with you, I'm as excited about that as I am about the increase in the price of the shares, and our market cap now sitting at about 170 million from 90 million a few days ago. So I think we're in the picture, and I think we're on the radar screen, and that bodes well for the company. To go for our commercial production, it should not be too difficult to raise the money, and but we'll wait till the end of the testing period with the reactor, and then get rolling on that. We have a few ideas that have been run by us, but nothing we're jumping on at the moment, and it's just really great.
Larry, for people new to American Manganese, what's the company all about?
The company is a critical metals company that gets its start in the manganese project in Arizona, and I can't say too much. I can't say enough about Cametco. Those guys are a group of geniuses. They've done every task that we've asked them to perform, and without them, we wouldn't be where we are today. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, if anybody asked me for a recommendation, I would recommend them and them only. So, to do the research work. And the manganese work they did for us allowed us to compete with China on the cost. Unfortunately, the price dropped below, and but we reactivated the company on Cametco's advice that they thought we could probably do the cathode materials in a lithium-ion battery, and that our recycling process was born. So, we've got 3 patents out there. We've got applications out in 11 countries. We've got 4 other patents in 4 other countries, and so, Jim, it's just been fantastic.
Where can people find you on the trading boards, and how can they contact the company?
Okay, first I'd like to say that they can do all the due diligence that is required. If they want to do a deeper dive into the company, they can go to our website, AmericanManganeseInc.com. We're traded on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the symbol AMY. We're traded in the U.S. under the symbol AMYZF. And we're traded in Frankfurt under the symbol 2AM. You can contact the company at 778-574-4444, or you can email me at LREAUGH@AMYMN.com.
Larry, thank you so much for the update.
You're very welcome, Jim.
I've been speaking with Larry Reaugh, CEO and President of American Manganese. I'm Jim Goddard. Our conversation took place on January 22nd.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.